Conventional water heaters need only gas and water. The gas comes from the gas supply to the house. The water comes from the municipal water supply. B-vent metal venting is vented through the chimney. FVIR technology included on most models. FVIR detects flammable vapors in the incoming combustible air and locks out the gas valve. Standard safety features for conventional and conventional FVIR water heaters. All conventional water heater venting is hot. It is vented through the chimney, prone to harmful emissions. Has a unitrol that regulates the flow of gas to the burner with a thermostat and an emergency shutoff. Cold and hot water shutoffs are located on top of the tank. FVIR water heaters have a sealed burner door.